Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan Meatball curry. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut, add water, blend into a fine paste. Remove thin and thick juice and keep aside. To prepare the masala for the meatball curry, in the mixer jar add 1 inch of ginger, few cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup of grated coconut, 4 Kashmiri red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of raw rice, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 petals of star anise, few cloves, water, add few coriander leaves and blend into a fine paste. In a bowl add half kg of beef minced meat, half tablespoon of salt or add as per your taste. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves. Mix. Add 3/4 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Add 2 tablespoons of the ground masala. Mix. Take little portion of meat in your palm and shape into round ball. Follow the same step to make the rest of the meatballs. Heat oil in a vessel. Add 1 onion chopped, few curry leaves, half tomato chopped and saute it. Add the ground masala. Mix. Add water in the mixer jar as there is masala remaining in it and pour it into the vessel. Add tin coconut juice. Mix. Add thick coconut juice. Stir. Add tamarind juice. Mix. Let it boil on low flame. Put the meatballs in the vessel. Swirl the vessel. Let it cook. Add chopped capsicum. Chopped coriander leaves. Curry leaves. 1 green chili slit. Swirl the vessel. Add 2 potatoes chopped. Swirl the vessel. Cook on low flame. Meatball curry is now ready. Switch off the flame. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.